Now we're going to focus on the next tool, which is really fun. It's called the Object Selection tool, and it is probably the easiest tool for selecting things that you can use. So I want you to go ahead and go over to your layers panel and make sure that you have the original layer selected, because the next vegetable that we're going to focus on is lettuce. So go ahead and find the Object Selection tool. If you hit W on your keyboard, it'll pop up where it's hidden, and it's hiding underneath Quick Selection or Magic Wand tool. You'll see the Object Selection tool. And this tool is really, really easy. Once you have that tool selected, I want you to go up to your tool options at the top of your interface, and I want you to make sure under Mode, you have Rectangle selected. Again, make sure you have your original layer highlighted in your layers panel, and what you're going to do is you're just going to draw a rectangle around your lettuce. I'm going to start in the upper left-hand corner of my lettuce, and I'm going to click, and holding down my mouse key, I'm going to drag a rectangle around the lettuce. Make sure that you don't have anything like the pepper by accident also selected. I'm going to release my mouse, and you'll see that I have this lettuce selected. And once I release my mouse, you'll see that it automatically hugs around the edge of my lettuce. And the reason that it does this is because this tool is looking for edges, and the edges of the lettuce are very obvious on this white background. So it'll quickly select the lettuce for me. Now again, like we've been doing previously, we're going to go ahead and make a copy of this lettuce by going up and doing Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. A new layer appears in my Layers panel, and I'm going to name this layer Lettuce. And I'm going to do a quick File Save to make sure that I save my latest version. And what I want you to do is I want you to grab your Move tool in your keyboard, in your tool panel. Make sure you have your lettuce layer selected, and click in the middle of the lettuce and go ahead and move your copied lettuce to the upper left-hand corner of your cutting board. And remember to keep this file open for the next exercise.